are done. Just giving a brief review for the same. So the paper was a little tougher. Not tougher, actually the paper actually was easier but little lengthier than what normally is. Because I mean, if you look at the verbal, there were 2 parajumbles which were there. Even logic, there were puzzles which would take time to solve, but only one question which is there. And same as maths was little on a lengthier side. So though the paper was little easier as compared to others, but because it was a little lengthy, I'm expecting the cutoffs to go down a bit as compared to last year. So if I look at cutoffs, you can maybe take off around 2-3 marks from last year, minus 2 or 3 marks. We'll come up with a better review with regards to what the paper was, but from the first view of it, easy paper. There were few things like modal questions in verbal, which if you know you could solve it, if you don't know you need not solve it. Most of the verbal questions were not time consuming, except for the 2 parajumbles. So you could solve all the 50, technically you could solve 13 out of 15, I mean leaving the 2 parajumbles, maybe in 7 minutes or 8 minutes, that's it, 7 minutes. Post that, even less than that actually. Then post that logic, you had to leave a few questions which were lengthy. If you could leave those lengthier questions, the key was to pick up that easier questions and try to solvable as such. And same with the verbals Quant section. There were few questions which were little time consuming, little more calculative in nature. If you could leave out those calculative nature, others were time consuming. But because those questions were time consuming and you had to leave it, therefore I'm expecting the cutoff to be a little lower than what it was in the previous case. So expect a -2, -3 as compared to last year at least. And that's what I get it from the first review that is there. I'll come up with more detailed review maybe in the night today, come up with maybe predicted cutoff based on the day one, and then let's see how it goes, right? So this is all for it, and see you.